Good morning, sir.
Very good morning to you all children. You all are ready?
Yes, sir.
Most welcome in this English class. Children, today we have to study about the usage of past perfect tense. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yesterday we studied about past perfect tense. But before starting the usage of past perfect tense, I feel it essential to remind you regarding sentences of past perfect tense. The structure of past perfect tense is subject plus had plus third form of verb plus object or complement. As for example, I had read the book. This is the example of past perfect tense. You can change it into interrogative form as had I read the book. In negative form, you can change it as I had not read the book. In this way, you had concluded about given past perfect tense, interrogative form and negative form. Today we have to conclude about its various uses, and I have arranged all the uses in a right sequence. You just note it down in your copy after listening each example thoroughly. Okay, come to the point. Today is 14th of September 2020. Day is Monday. Subject English. Topic usage of past perfect tense. This class is applicable for all senior students. That means for senior classes. Usage of past perfect tense. First usage. The past perfect tense is used to express an action completed before another action took place. As means example. When he came to me, then I had posted the letter. Here it is quite clear that it means I had posted the letter before he came, and in English it has been written as when he came to me, I had posted the letter. Next, the match had begun before I reached the playground. This is second example. Third one, the rain had stopped when we reached the home. When we reached home, right? All these three examples satisfy this sort of statement, that is the past perfect tense being used to express an action completed before another action took place. Next, in a simple sentence, we never use the perfect tense unless it has in it some such words. As for example, still, before, never, already, till, since, etc. That means whenever you try to use it in simple form, then you have to bore it in your mind that there must be this sort of word like still, before, never, already, till, since, etc. Concerned examples are the mother had already cooked the food. For your sake of simplicity, this already word has been underlined. This is already the word already, which gives perfection to this very statement, this very sentence. Next, she had never seen such a terrible sight before. Here, before satisfies this sentence as perfect tense, past perfect tense. Next, she had not travelled by a train till then. Here the word till satisfies this sentence as past perfect tense. I had not written to her since my going abroad. Here the word since satisfies this sentence being used as past perfect tense. Next example. It is also used to express an unfulfilled action in the past as, for example, first, if she had worked hard, then she would have passed. Second example, if you had come in time, then we should have taken you with us. Next example, that means how to use, in which condition we can write past perfect tense in given passage. It is also used to express an unfulfilled wish in the past as, for example, I wish I had won the election. Next, I wish I had accepted the job. Accepted the job. It will be job. Next example, I wish I had appeared at the test. All these examples satisfy this logic or this rule. That is, it is also used to express an unfulfilled wish in the past. Next, to denote the action or event which has been completed before some point of time. Example, by afternoon he had completed much work. Next example, by sunset we had watered the plant. In this way, we learned this sufficient examples for past perfect tense. Must note it down and get it checked. Next class we will come to learn about its objective questions. This is sufficient for today. Now you will be able to identify past perfect tense among given various sentences. It will help you a lot. Thank you very much.